Hi, it's Katherine. I'm here at the Legoland Discovery Center in Kansas City, and we've been invited to find out about a charity event they have going on right now, and to go behind the scenes with a Lego Master Builder. So if you're ready, let's go have some fun. I'm here behind the scenes in a Lego workshop with Lego Master Builder Logan. Can you tell us what's going on at the Discovery Center?
Absolutely. We've got all sorts of fun stuff going on right now. It is our holiday bricktacular. It is our sort of Christmas event of the year, my favorite time of year personally. We have got our Build to Give campaign going on right now where you can build a heart and donate a set to a kid in need. And I've got some movie stuff that I think you might like to see as well.
So can you tell me a little bit more? What's kind of going on behind the scenes in the workshop?
So the workshop is, I like to think, like an extension of Santa's workshop, just up from the north on the remote location. This is where I make all the magic happen. You know, from little ornaments like these candy canes or these little ones right here to put on my tree, all the way up to fun random stuff like sometimes I'll build upscaled Lego bricks to build with and have a little bit of fun with. But this is where all the magic happens.
And this microphone was also built by Logan. There are so many pieces that go into Lego building, so how do you find everything and how do you know where you're looking?
Well, you know, it's a great question, and it helps now to have been working here for so long, but those first few months, oh my goodness, it was impossible. I have millions of pieces in this room. Don't ask me an exact number because I just have no idea. But it took me, frankly, months to learn where everything is. And even still today, I'll still be sort of going, oh wait, where's that one piece? Do I have it in a drawer? Is it in one of these big boxes back here? It really does just help to spend time in here and build and build and build.
I'm sure. Do you have any favorite things that you like to build?
One of my favorite things is the upscaled minifig series. These are some of my favorite sets. This one is actually a very handsome man in a blue shirt and black pants. I don't know who it could be. It's me right there. Yeah, so the upscaled minifigs, those are some of my favorite things to build.
So how long have you been working here and how did you kind of get into this?
Well, I've been working here just shy of 2 years now, but you know, I like to think I've been training for this job for decades, you know, for however long since my dad gave me all of his Lego sets from when he was a kid.
Of course.
But I've been here just shy of 2 years now. All right, Kat, should we go out and have some more fun?
Let's go check it out.
Let's do it.
Okay, so what's going on out here?
Well, so we are out here in the attraction. We've got some of our fun stuff. We've got our Merlin's Apprentice ride. To our right over here, we have our gingerbread house building for our season. We're passing our build and test area where you can build a car and race it down our ramps. See if you can run it over one of our jumps over here. Now here in Kansas City, we are big Chiefs fans. This is Chiefs Kingdom. So of course we had to have a little bit to sort of rep our team, of course.
I love it. You've got Andy.
That's right, that's right.
This is great. So can you fill us in a little bit about the Build to Give program?
Absolutely. So the Build to Give program, we've got some simple steps here, but it's really just as simple as build a Lego heart, take a picture, and post it online with the hashtag Build to Give, and Lego will donate one Lego set to a child in need.
So I guess these are some of the ones people have already made?
That's exactly right. These are some of my favorites, actually. Some that showed a lot of really creativity. I really love some of these ones.
How many sets have you donated so far?
You know what? That is a great question. And last year, I'll say I believe they donated 15 million Lego sets, and I believe they're trying to reach that goal again this year.
That's incredible.
Yes.
Even if you're not in Kansas City, be sure to make it to your local Legoland and build a heart and post it on any social media account.
And by the way, if you don't want to build, if you're not feeling creative today, I get it, sometimes it happens. You can also just take a picture with one of our backdrops. It even comes with a pre-prepped hashtag Build to Give right back there. And you can post that and donate a set in just the same way. Congratulations, we just donated a set to a kid in need.
As an entertainment reporter and film critic, I obviously have an affinity for the cinema. So can you tell me a little bit about your cinema right here?
Absolutely. This is our 4D cinema. We play 4D movies every 30 minutes at the top and bottom of the hour. We have a Friends movie, we have a Ninjago movie, a Lego City movie, and a Lego Dreams movie as well. And then we have a couple special seasonal movies that come out around the Halloween and Christmas times. And then of course, I know you say you like movie stuff. I have some movie builds I think you just might enjoy as well.
Let's go check them out.
Let's do it.
I see in our Miniland, we've got Kansas City hotspot, the Plaza.
That's right. Not too far from here is our Western Auto building. And then of course, we reach my favorite part of Miniland, Legoland's Miniland Legoland. Kind of a bit of a mouthful there. I like to think there's a little minifig of me in there somewhere. We've got our stadiums over here. Of course, we have our Chiefs Stadium. We have our Royals Stadium, our NASCAR Speedway here. Over here, we have our Sporting KC Stadium. We're hoping to have a new stadium in here by the time the World Cup comes around. We're working on that's right. We're working on the KC Current Stadium to pop right next door here. All right, now here's another one of my favorite little display cases in here. Some of my sort of favorite Master Builder builds from over the years. We've got lots of cool stuff built by lots of our previous Master Builders and myself, of course, and even my mini Master Model Builder for 2025. His name was Alistair. He was a 12-year-old. He made this little guy from Hollow Knight, he tells me. He is an incredible builder, really fantastic. It's this globe, hands down one of my favorite builds right there.
Does it actually spin?
It absolutely does.
And I see you have the Grinch and Santa during Christmas time, and I see Hogwarts.
We have our Wizard of Oz minifigs here, but if you like those, then I think you're gonna love what I've got in the birthday room here. Now here is probably my favorite display case. These are some of my favorite builds that we've had. Newest additions are our Glinda and our Elphaba and our Wizard there. Some of my favorites here are my movie collection, my collection of little bits and bobs from all of these, from some of my favorite movies.
Yes.
We'll see how many of these you can recognize.
Okay, well, this is the Lego Movie, of course.
Of course, that's right.
We've got Charlie Brown, Rudolph, Minions.
Of course.
Is this Transformers?
It is. That's Optimus Prime, and it really does transform.
Oh, wow. Batman, Iron Man, Indiana Jones?
That's right, a little bit, yeah.
Oh, wow.
We've got
Titanic.
That's right, Titanic.
Jack and Rose.
That's right.
We've got Thor.
That's right.
Star Wars.
That's right.
Okay, Jurassic Park, Back to the Future. Well, I've got to head out pretty soon, but I was wondering before I leave, can I take a spin on the Kingdom Quest ride?
I think that's a good idea. I don't mean to brag, I do have the high score on this ride, so I'd like to see if you can beat me. But yes, let's save the princess. This is not, oh no. Oh, you're beating me, okay. Oh no, now I've got to speed up. This guy here, he's my favorite. We've got to protect the golden dragon eggs. And make sure you don't hit them because you'll lose points. It's the only negative target. That's right. Woo! And we did it. We saved the princess and saved the king's treasure.
Good job.
Oh yeah, let's do it.
Logan, thank you so much for showing us behind the scenes of your workshop and for our little tour around Legoland. And if people want to learn more about Legoland Kansas City, where can they look?
Well, they can come here and see us. We are open, all the time. But if you're not in the Kansas City area, you can also check out all of our amazing locations at legolanddiscoverycenter.com.
For Kids First, I'm Katherine. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.